I know. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am, oh my god, that's my dog. Alright, so today's video is gonna be more on the natural. Most of my videos have been on the natural side, but today I wanna create the makeup, no makeup look. Basically what it is, it's a makeup look that looks like you're not wearing any makeup, but you are. I want to do that. I've done it a couple of times, but usually I do prefer a little bit more coverage and stuff. But today I am going to try to do that look. And yeah, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to post 2 times a week, so yeah, there's gonna be more content of mine. So let's get started. Alright, so for this type of look, I think the most important step is gonna be your skincare, because you wanna have that very glowy, very natural base on your face. So I usually don't do this, but I'm gonna start with my skincare. I actually did a skincare routine that was Vogue Beauty Secrets inspired. I'll leave the card here so you guys can go check it out. But I'm basically gonna do my everyday routine. So first I'm gonna start with my serum. I'm gonna apply it to my face. Then I'm gonna go with an eye cream. This is a Glossier Bubblewrap Eye Lip Plumping Cream. I love this stuff when I'm gonna wear any type of makeup, especially when I'm gonna do these types of look that are more natural. They really hydrate my under eyes and plump the skin in my under eyes. Then I'm gonna go with a moisturizer. This is a Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I just grabbed this one because it's the one I have here in my vanity. Take some of that. We really want a good base for our makeup and have our skin. If you have more dry skin, you really want to hydrate the skin so your skin looks hydrated and plump and looks healthy, not like you have been dehydrating yourself with coffee. Okay, now I'm gonna go with sunscreen. I'm gonna use this one. It's the Keep Cool Soothe Bamboo Sun Essence. I'm trying to use it up because apparently it says it has SPF 50 when in reality it doesn't, so they had to discontinue the product. I've seen it happening a lot with Korean skincare. I think the other one was the Burrito sunscreen that a lot of people loved, but apparently it didn't have the SPF it was marketing at. So, but I really like this sunscreen, so I'm trying to use it up. It's a great sunscreen. It really hydrates my skin, and it's great under makeup. That's very important when it comes to makeup. Have a good sunscreen that it's not gonna, you know, like ball up, or what's the other thing that happens? Sometimes my sunscreen tends to, like, I don't know, like ball up. It also starts peeling, and this one doesn't do that, so that's why I love it, but it's discontinued, and I didn't want to use my Kiehl skin because that leaves more of a matte finish. So now let's start with the base. I want my skin to look very luminous, very hydrated, very glowy. So I'm gonna use the MAC Strobe Cream. This is in the shade Goldlite. I really enjoy this product. It also is kind of a cream, so it's gonna really hydrate my skin. But I try to keep this on the high point of my face, where usually you highlight, but also kind of spread it all over. You could absolutely skip this step. I just do it because I really want my base to look very dewy. So this is why I add this type of product, or the Glossier one, but I talked about that one in my last video and I don't want to repeat products a lot. Okay, so for my foundation, my base, I'm actually gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Sunshine Skin Tint. This one has SPF 30. I would also use the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint. I think this one has a little bit more coverage, and I do see a little bit of redness, even like a insect bite. I really enjoyed this one, but I think I like this one a little bit more. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. What I like about this one, it has a bit more coverage, but also it's gonna leave your skin looking very natural, and it also has a little bit of extra SPF in it, which is perfecto. I'm just going to blend it out. And as you can see, it just adds a little bit of glow to my face. Didn't cover up everything. Looks very natural. That's what we're looking for. For concealer, I'm gonna use the RMS Uncover Up Concealer. I use the shade 00. And this one's very similar to the Glossier concealer, but this one I think it has way less coverage. I like to use this one, especially in mornings where I think I look like a vampire. And I have my super dark circles, but I don't want to wear makeups, and I just apply this and it looks very, very natural. It's not going to cover up all my dark circles, but it's just going to make them look less dark, if that makes sense. I mean, you can still see my dark circles, but I mean, it's trending on TikTok too. Even apply a bit of shadow to create dark circles, so it's now a trend. I'm still gonna put it in this weird thing. Okay, so it's not covering this up. I don't know why. I'm just gonna take this NARS concealer, just apply a little bit because we don't want it to look like we have a lot. Maybe here too. I don't know why I'm getting red all of a sudden. I hope it's not an allergic reaction. Okay, you can see it, yes, I hope. Right, for bronzer, I'm gonna go with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. I love this stuff, and I'm just gonna apply it very lightly because we still want it to look like I don't have any makeup, but I need a little bit of bronze in my life. Very lightly, like super lightly. As you can see, very, very light browns. I can even blend it out a bit. Okay, for highlighter, I saw someone use this Marc Jacobs Dew Drops in Dew You. I have a mini size of this one. It's a gold shade, so I'm gonna take just a bit and use this as my highlighter, just a little. Let's see how this looks on my face. This highlighter. Whee! But I don't want it to look like I have highlighter. Alright, now for blush, I just got this Tower 28 Beach Please Luminous Tinted Balm. This shade, but I don't think I want to use it for this look. It's a beautiful shade, oh my god. But I think I want something more natural, but it's so pretty. I have a problem with bronzers and blush. Let's keep it at that. Alright, so for blush, I think I'm gonna do a mixture of these two products. They're the Glossier Cloud Paint in Dusk and Spark. I just want to make a mixture of these two and see how it looks. My favorite of the Cloud Paints is Dusk. I just love the shade. It's a very natural shade, and I just love how it looks on my cheeks. But I bought this like 2 months ago, and I haven't used it that much, but it's like a really poppy red. I just want to add a little bit. Something like that. Just gonna blend them in. Just apply a bit on my cheek. Blend it out with our fingers. Go over my nose with it just to make the illusion I went on spring break, but in reality I'm just gonna stay home. Blend it out just a bit. just looks like I went out and got a little bit of a little lightly sunburn. I just love cream blushes, they're the best. So I think I need to set my under eyes because they're creasing and I cannot deal with that. But sometimes I just keep it like this because it's the only product I have on my face and I want to set it. And I have a new product. This is the Kosas Cloud Set Baked Setting and Smoothing Powder. So this is what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. Wow. So I'm just gonna take just a fluffy brush, take a little bit on it, and just set. Oh wow. I need to try this product again because I do like it. Doesn't look like I applied powder under my eyes. What? Jamie Page was not wrong about this. She was raving about this product, and because I have super dry skin, I don't like powders. That's why I tend to use more loose powders than like compact powders. But oh my god, I'm gonna use this more, but I like it, and I just apply it under my eyes. For my eyebrows, I'm just gonna use one product and one product only. I'm gonna use the Glossier Boy Brow in the shade Brown, and it's not that difficult. It's a product that has pigment and fibers in it, so it's just gonna fill in your brows and make them look a little bit more fluffy. I love my boy brow, especially on days where I don't want to do soap brows or anything. You could absolutely do soap brows, but I really want this look to look very, very natural. I'm not joking, I use my boy brow every single day because I have something with my brows, like they have to be done one way or another, and usually it's with the boy brow. And look at the difference. This is boy brow, this is Who Is She. I also want to try the M Cosmetics one. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I don't know why I haven't just bought it. Maybe because I like this one so much that I don't think I need to try the other one. Now for my eyes, I'm not gonna apply any product. I'm just gonna go again with my powder and just put a little powder there because I do have very oily eyelids and that's not a cute look. So let's just mattify them bad boys. And I already have really red, dark pigmentation, so looks like I'm wearing something, but I'm not. Just my tired eyes. All right, now mascara. Okay, I zoomed you in for the mascara. First things first, I'm gonna curl my lashes. I use the Shiseido eyelash curler. This is the gold one because it was a limited edition one. This is what the normal one looks like. I have two. I've been loving this since I was 15. Now I'm almost 23, still love it. Right, for mascara, I don't mind if you can tell I'm wearing mascara, but the idea of this look is that you can't tell you're wearing any makeup, so I'm going to try to make it look like I'm not wearing mascara. But you can tell I'm wearing mascara. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm actually gonna use the Item Beauty Lash Stack. It's a lengthening mascara, which I need because I have super short and thin lashes. They've been growing, okay? I use an eyelash serum. It has been working, so. Right, so let's apply this mascara. Just gonna go with like a little eyelash comb. Comb my lashes because my mascara was a bit dry. Good. I like the look of that. You can tell I'm wearing mascara. You can just keep it with your lash curled, but again, I have problems. I just love how mascara opens your eyes. I mean, I have big eyes. I have like chihuahua eyes. I just love the look of mascara. Don't hate on me. think I'm gonna keep it at that. I really want to add bottom lash mascara, but I think this looks okay. Yeah, we look okay. We look okay. Okay. Now lips. All right, so for lips, we still want that makeup, no makeup look. And I'm just gonna be honest with you, I usually just wear a lip balm. Even on my everyday, I just like lip balm, especially right now if I'm gonna be wearing the mask or anything. Lipsticks, lip glosses are just not it. Usually when I'm wearing a lipstick or a gloss, it's just for videos or photos. So yeah, I have a bag full of lip balms, and today I'm gonna use this one. It's the e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balm in Tough Cookie, but I'm actually gonna use a bit of a lip liner. This is the NYX Retractable lip liner in Natural. Just gonna do this to give my lips a bit more definition, and this shade is very close to my natural lip color. And then take Tough Cookie, which I love this product, but it's so hard to get out. I mean, I love this lip balm, but it's always a struggle to get some out. Okay, I grabbed some. Look at that! Ooh, ooh. I'm just gonna spray my face with the Youth to the People Adaptogen Soothe and Hydrate Activated Mist, just to bring a little more hydration to my face. And that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was really quick, really natural. I think I can do this makeup without talking or anything in less than 10 minutes. And it's one of my favorite looks to do when I'm just want to have a little bit of makeup on, or if I'm going to work and I just want to look a little bit more presentable. I love this makeup, and yeah. Hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below what other types of videos you want to see. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Again, I am trying to upload 2 times a week. Those comments will really help me when it comes to organizing what I want to upload for you guys, so don't be shy. Comment down below. You can also follow me on my social medias, which I always leave somewhere here, also in the description box below. Everything I talked today about, every product, will be mentioned down below. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!